Hi everyone, my name is Qihang Zhang, and today I would like to talk about some truths about dinosaurs that are discovered lately. Before I jump into my topic today, I would like to ask you, what is a dinosaur? According to the definition, dinosaurs are prehistoric reptiles that have lived on Earth from about 228 million years ago to the present. Modern birds are one kind of dinosaurs because they share a common ancestor with non-avian dinosaurs. Now, let's watch the trailer of Jurassic World. While watching, I would like to ask you to think about one question. Are you familiar with these dinosaurs?
It's not about control.
Stand down. It's a relationship based on respect. These animals are thinking, I gotta eat. I'm gonna hunt. I gotta. You gotta be able to relate to at least one of those things.
Every time we've unveiled a new attraction, attendance has spiked.
That was awesome.
Corporate felt genetic modification would up the wow factor.
They're dinosaurs. Wow enough.
She was designed to be bigger than the T-Rex.
What happened to the sibling?
She ate it. We have an asset out of containment. What is that?
Her tracking implant, she clawed it out.
How would it know to do that?
She remembered where they put it in.
Oh, God.
She's killing for sport.
You got 20,000 people. You got no more boats. You don't have enough guns.
If we do this my way.
We got eyes on target.
Light it up!
Something's wrong. They're communicating.
We're talking about an animal here.
A highly intelligent animal.
We have to say that Jurassic series movies have really done a great job bringing those ancient giant creatures back to our sight. I believe those images of dinosaurs in the movie have already become the first sight when people hear the word dinosaur. However, those images were not all true. And this leads us to the first truth of dinosaurs, that more dinosaurs were covered with feathers than with scales as we saw. Here is a trailer for another dinosaur topic movie, and hopefully you can see the difference between the dinosaurs in two movies.
Do you know what happens to time wasters, Mr. Winton? Hand down, Gloria.
Honey crystals will then become rotated perpendicular to the orientation of the shortening, causing mineral bending in the rock.
Whoa.
They're after your shirt! Remove it! Where are we exactly?
I have a sneaking suspicion that we aren't really any place or any time.
Those are dinosaurs!
I have a theory they're in a place between places. Mimos, meet Lucas.
Hey, little guy! Whoa!
Everything that's here has come from some other place or some other time.
Got to find a way out of here.
We're going to have to learn fast if you want to survive here.
Survive here. I'm not staying here.
Something's here.
I command you to stop right now!
This is what has been pulling everything in. The ships, the planes, everything.
What are you doing?
It can't see us if we don't move.
Where did you get that ridiculous notion? It can see you just fine. Come on.
Run!
This is our way home.
That's it. Come on.
For many years, paleontologists agreed that all dinosaurs had scales. By the 1990s, discoveries suggested that feathered avian-like dinosaurs were common in the Cretaceous and late Jurassic periods. But in 2014, a study published in the online journal Science detailed the discovery of a new species, Coelindrodromeus the bicalicus. The discovery of this new dinosaur gave us a new idea on this topic. Those beaked, two-legged dinosaurs were feathered species of herbivore. The discovery led us to a new assumption that feathers are not a characteristic just of birds, but of all dinosaurs, as only carnivorous raptors had been previously discovered with feathers. Now, here is the second question. How much do you think a dinosaur weighed? There's no doubt that they weighed more than we do, but maybe we measure them too heavy? Based on a new method of measuring, a new technique is used to measure the weight and size of dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals. For example, a huge brachiosaur, once thought to weigh 176,370 pounds, is now believed to have weighed only 50,706 pounds. The key to this new method is that scientists are now able to calculate the ratio of flesh and bones more precisely of a dinosaur and the minimum amount of skin that need to cover the skeletons of large animals. Thanks to the contribution of the scientists, we are now one step closer to reveal the mysteries of dinosaurs. Here comes the third truth of dinosaurs. Though we thought we already know a lot of them, there were even more species that we haven't found. 20 years ago, people were in a very slow progress of finding new dinosaurs fossils. There were about 15 new dinosaurs named every year. However, in 2014, almost one new species was discovered every week. This progress was astonishing because once people believed that we were very familiar with the giant Asian creature, until more and more fossils were found and more information revealed above the water. Is it because of the improvement of searching tools? Even though the satellites might give archaeologists better views of locations, they are almost using the same digging tools as they were 30 years ago. Then why there are so many more fossils are discovered nowadays? It turns out that it is because more people are searching for dinosaurs than 30 years ago thanks to the Jurassic Park movie. The movie aroused a lot of people's interest in dinosaurs and made them want to know more about those ancient creatures. These facts shows us that the most useful tool in scientific field is not modern technology, but enthusiasm of keep discovering. The last truth about dinosaurs I want to talk about today is the dinosaurs' extinction. This is the most popular and important topic that dinosaur studiers want to figure out. Until now, there are mainly three different studies that are believed caused the huge extinction of dinosaurs 66 million years ago. They are meteoroid theory, volcanism theory, and ice age theory. Each theory has sufficient evidence to prove the ideas. Meteoroid theory was raised based on the discovery of the Big Hole in Yucatan Peninsula, which was caused by an asteroid. The evidence of massive beds of ancient lava found around the world where volcanic eruptions were commonplace made volcanism theory also convincible. A biology study of several Chinese scientists examined the amino acid composition of modern reptilia, and it showed they have the ability to adapt to the various temperatures might be the reason they survived the massive extinction. All three theories seems reasonable, and now scientists are more likely to believe that all the three factors, maybe one after another, together caused the huge extinction of dinosaurs. Even though we haven't drawn a conclusion yet, but it is still exciting to get closer and closer to the truth with our own effort. Here is a short video from Discovery which is about the extinction of dinosaurs, and it's mainly about the meteoroid theory. Here is a short. By doing this multimodal project, I actually learned a lot of knowledge about dinosaurs that I did not know before. However, the experience of doing this project not only taught me knowledge of dinosaurs, but also the scientific spirit. We should never be pleased with what we have already, but rather have a sense of critical thinking all the time. If the human evolution is like climbing a big mountain, we're barely starting this journey. If we have the enthusiasm for science and courage to challenge things that are mostly agreed, we will always be able to explore deeper and further in the magic scientific world. Thanks for watching.